Howdy.
Hi.
You had to salute.
Oh.
Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Wrapsesh.
What's up, guys?
Revealing the latest and greatest Forerunner wrap, which was inspired by the P-40 Warhawk bomber planes, which, as you guys know, that is literally our branding to the T.
We definitely took the whole like shark mouth squad kind of thing, you know.
That was not shark mouth.
Was that not?
That was more like boop. Yeah, so there's a whole funny story about this. This car is actually for the Dangerzone Arcade bar, which is coming soon here in Arizona. It's a really cool old school pinball arcade kind of thing. And we met Jordan and his wife at a level 1 costume party, and it was
which was another arcade bar.
Yes, another arcade bar, a local one, and they had a costume night, and it was Star Wars themed, and it was also my birthday weekend, and we went there fully dressed up. I was like a full stormtrooper in a kid's costume.
Yeah, you went hard.
You were a Jedi, and we ended up having to shut down the bathroom for like 20 minutes because I thought I was gonna fall off the face of the earth.
Because they let me in there to wake you up pretty much.
I wasn't asleep. I was trying not to die.
You were dying on the toilet, yeah.
I was not dying on the toilet. I was trying not to throw up. I think we should clarify. Anyways, I ended up getting dragged out of the bathroom, like carried out on my birthday.
Pretty much
thrown into the back of my van. Yeah. We had to leave our scooters there because we were too wasted. It was a whole thing, but it was really fun. That was actually a couple of years ago, and now we're getting to do Jordan's rep, which is really awesome. So it's kind of cool how things come full circle.
Yeah.
Anyways,
round and round.
Let's dive into the whole concept. This was, of course, it was a side dive.
Okay.
Yeah. This was, of course, a
Glarb design.
Thank you. Our favorite man, Glarb. He does some awesome grungy designs. We love working with him. We've been working with him forever now.
Yeah, I've been wanting to do one of these designs for quite a while now from him because he's probably
he specializes in it.
The way he does it, it is my favorite.
It's very nice. Yeah. Also, like, this is literally what we need our shop truck to look like. We've been wanting to do this for ages, so it's really cool getting to do it, even if it's not ours.
No, it's still fun to do.
So yeah, he did the design, and then we printed it on our favorite go-to film, which is the Avery Matte Metallic Silver base. That's why this looks so nice, if I may say so. It looks tits. Le tits. And it is a satin lamination, and then we also have a lot of the Orifol reflective overlays on like the shark mouth, the pinup girl, which this is Jordan's wife, really cool, like on a pinball machine.
Yeah, all the color and stuff is reflective.
It's very nice. But yeah, check it out. And of course, it was printed on our Mutoh 1682 SR eco-solvent printer.
Yes,
I know that's a mouthful, but it was. And we also did a lot of extra things on here.
Yeah, I threw a light bar on. We did some
he's got
lights.
Cool pod lights that have his logo. Yeah. We did dent repair. We did body work. We did ceramic coating. We did Cerakote plastic refresher. We did lighting. We did underglow.
Yeah.
It was the whole 9 yards.
It was a full project.
But it was very fun. Love, love, love.
Love, love.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
so much for watching. We love you to the moon and back. And peace, not war, and stuff and things. And make sure you guys go check out Dangerzone Arcade Bar, coming soon here in the Arizona Phoenix area, East Valley. And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube at Wrapsesh AZ or Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And shout out to Glarb, Avery Dennison, and Mutoh America, of course.
All of our wonderful sponsors
And Diamond Pro
partners.
Tech for our ceramic coating. And we'll see you soon.